One of the most frequently asked questions that we have today is what specialization to choose from amongst the two that we offer, digital media marketing or content and social media. So if you can share some information on that.
Sure, absolutely happy to. So when we launched Marketing Launchpad, we started with the digital media specialization. And so content and social media came in later. And it came in because there were a lot of roles that were coming in which had to do with creating content on social media, content writing, managing influencers, managing communities, and so on and so forth. When I compared that to the roles that digital media specialization used to have, that was either around paid media, which was optimizing the campaigns on Facebook, Google, etc., or it was around search engine optimization, which is essentially optimizing your content such that it ranks higher on the Google search algorithm. So as you can see, these roles of digital media are a little bit more analytical forward, whereas the content and social media roles are a little bit more creativity forward. Not to say that creativity doesn't matter in digital media or vice versa, but just there is a little bit of a skew. So that's how content and social media happen. Now, because writing is a huge aspect of it, content and social media has a higher bar in terms of writing specifically. So relatively less number of people get offered content and social media, and their placement record over the last 1 year when the specialization has been in place is also better. So the average salary in content and social media will be 10-15% better than digital media right now. So obviously the roles are in demand, but I must add something here that in the actual world, when people go and do marketing, frequently you're not just doing marketing of one kind, but also marketing of the other kind, which means that, let's say you're doing marketing at an FMCG company, you're managing the marketing performance, you'll not just be looking at marketing it through one route, you will do marketing in every route possible, which means that it will be useful for a DMM student to know CSM concepts because they will be applying that, and vice versa. So an actual job role in marketing is usually a combination of things, and as people go senior, one has to become good at the other, and so on and so forth. The roles are a little bit more specialized at the start, and that's why we have found that content and social media, for the people who do get offered, usually they're quite happy with it, and because the placement record is better and so on and so forth. But both roles are fantastic, and both are in huge demand.
I think that helps. That's like quite a detailed information. I think most of us would be able to get something out of this. So thank you so much.
Thank you.